The Maggie May hitmaker, 78, left fans devastated when he took to Instagram to share his gig in Australia, alongside Cyndi Lauper, 69, and John Stevens, 61, would not be going ahead on Saturday. Sir Rod Stewart posted a statement in view of his 1.2 million followers just a few hours before the show was scheduled to begin. Rod captioned the post with a broken heart emoji, as the statement read, "Live Nation and Roundhouse Entertainment regret to announce that tonight's performance by Rod Stewart, Cyndi Lauper and John Stevens at Mount Duneed Estate, Geelong will not go ahead due to illness. We apologize for the disappointment and inconvenience for ticket holders. A further announcement regarding the concert arrangements will be made early next week." Rod's post did not clarify which of the three performers is suffering from ill health, as Cyndi and John also shared the same announcement to their Instagram pages. "The girls just want to have fun," singer captioned her post, reposting from Sir Rod Stewart. John, meanwhile, simply posted the statement with the caption, "Important announcement." It has not yet been clarified how the mystery illness will impact the rest of the trio's tour of Australia. The rockers are scheduled to perform in Adelaide on Tuesday. Many concert-goers were left frustrated after the news was only shared to social media. Some were also irritated by the last-minute nature of the announcement from Live Nation. One fan wrote, "Maybe a text to the ticket holders would be nice. Not everyone has Facebook." Another added, "Text this morning would have been nice before we traveled down from Melbourne." Don't miss. Denise Van Outen opens up about strange relationship with ex-husband. Opinion, Craig Revel Horwood says he'd still be married if wife hadn't cheated. Comment, Carol Vorderman addresses Gareth Gates' affair after cozy snaps. Latest, a third person fumed, "Why isn't Ticketmaster emailed to let people know? This is so frustrating, I'm devastated." A fourth ticket holder complained, "Flew from Hobart to see Rod, how will we be able to come back over now? Devo. We bought these tickets for my mum as a present as it's her dream." Fans also took to the comments section of Sir Rod's Instagram post to send him their well wishes. "Hope you are okay, Rod," one Instagram user commented. "Who is sick?" another fan questioned, while a third added, "Why on earth don't they just say who is sick instead of all this speculation? Express. Co.uk has contacted a representative for Sir Rod for comment. It comes after the star, who is married to Penny Lancaster, 52, insisted he wouldn't be retiring from performing anytime soon. He told New Zealand radio network Newstalk ZB, "I wouldn't be doing it if I didn't love it. But I want a new challenge. I'm not retiring though. If Terry's a charity show and I have to sing Maggie May and do you think him sexy? He'll do it tomorrow."
To